Hi, I'm Manjeet from Communique, a boutique co-working space in South Delhi. We just started this office about a week ago, and for our interiors, for flooring, we have used Welspun Flooring, carpet tiles and click and lock tiles. We gave a color palette to Welspun design team with grey and black as our color palette, and they came up with a very good design matching our interior design. They supplied the products in less than 4 weeks. Their installation team came and done the whole flooring in less than a day. I highly recommend Welspun Flooring to others. Thank you.